Welcome to another adventure as we explore the marvels of the world. Today, we delve into the beauty of Russia's breathtaking scenery. A land of contrast and intrigue, Russia boasts an array of landscapes that rival any on Earth. From the snowy peaks of Siberia to the tranquil waters of its serene lakes and the vast expanses of its rolling plains, the sheer scale of Russia's terrain offers a rich tapestry of natural beauty. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning landscapes that make Russia a must-visit destination. First, we journey into the frosty splendor of Siberia. A place of ethereal beauty, Siberia is a vast expanse where the sky meets the ice in a symphony of white and blue. It's a realm where nature's power is on full display, crafting landscapes that leave you awestruck. Imagine a land where the silence is as sharp as the cold, punctuated only by the crunch of snow under your boots. Siberia is this land, a place where winter is not just a season, but a way of life. The icy landscapes here are not just beautiful, they're transformative, shaping not just the terrain but also the people and cultures that call this region home. Siberia is a canvas painted with frost and ice, a spectacle of glacial beauty, where every snowflake tells a story, every gust of wind sings a song. It's a place where the chilly air fills your lungs and the frosty landscapes fill your heart with a sense of tranquility. And in the heart of Siberia lies a gem that exemplifies its frosty splendor, Lake Baikal. This mesmerizing lake, a shimmering mirror of ice in winter, is a sight to behold. It's the world's oldest and deepest lake, a testament to the enduring power of nature. The sheer depth of the lake, reaching over a mile deep, gives it a beautiful dark blue hue that contrasts starkly with the white of the surrounding snow. Lake Baikal is not just a body of water, it's a journey into the heart of Siberia. It's a place where you can stand on the frozen surface of the lake, look around at the endless expanse of snow and ice, and feel a sense of connection with the universe. It's a place that makes you realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things and yet how beautiful and precious every moment of our existence is. Siberia, a land of frost and ice, is a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of life. It's a place where the cold is not just a condition, but a character, shaping everything it touches into a work of art. It's a place where the beauty is as breathtaking as the cold, a place that makes you feel alive. Siberia, a frosty wonderland that presents a unique blend of beauty and adventure. Next, we ascend the majestic Ural Mountains. This natural barrier between the plains of western Russia and the vast Siberian landscapes is a sight to behold. Stretching over 2,000 kilometers from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the borders of Kazakhstan in the south, the Ural Mountains form one of the most prominent ranges in the world. While they may not boast the height of the Himalayas or the Alps, with the tallest peak, Mount Narodnaya, standing stately at a modest 1,899 meters, the Urals have a charm that's uniquely their own. Their breathtaking views are not defined by their height, but rather the sheer breadth of their expanse, draped in a lush green blanket during the summer months and a sparkling white coat in the winter. But it's not just the panoramic views that make the Urals a paradise for nature lovers. This mountain range is also a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna. From the stoic Siberian spruce and the towering Siberian fir, to the delicate rhododendron and the vibrant bird cherry, the Urals are a botanist's dream. And let's not forget the wildlife. The elusive lynx, the graceful sable, and the majestic brown bear all call these mountains home. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the rare and beautiful Ural owl, a symbol of the region, perched high on a branch, surveying its kingdom with wise, watchful eyes. The Urals are also rich in minerals and precious stones, adding another layer of allure to their natural beauty. As we journey through the Ural Mountains, we witness the grandeur of nature in its purest form. From the verdant valleys to the snow-capped peaks, each scene is a masterpiece painted by Mother Nature herself. Each breath of fresh mountain air is a testament to the untamed beauty that Russia holds within its borders. The Ural Mountains, where nature's majesty is on full display. Now we find ourselves in the heart of Moscow, at the vibrant Red Square. This sprawling plaza, pulsing with life and color, is more than just a meeting place. It's a living, breathing testament to Russia's rich history and vibrant culture. The Red Square's significance is deeply rooted in Russia's past. It has witnessed everything from coronations to military parades, from public executions to rock concerts. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where history is etched into every cobblestone, and where you can feel the pulse of Russia's vibrant, ever-changing culture. As the day draws to a close, the Red Square undergoes a stunning transformation. The setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a warm, soft light over the square. The buildings, once stark and imposing, now glow in the twilight, their vibrant colors enhanced by the golden light. And in the midst of this colorful spectacle stands St. Basil's Cathedral, an iconic symbol of Russia. With its unique blend of architectural styles, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. Its brightly colored domes are a riot of color, each one intricately painted with vibrant patterns. It's a spectacle of color and design that perfectly encapsulates the spirit of Russia. The cathedral's architecture is as unique as its history. Built in the 16th century by Ivan the Terrible, it's a mix of Russian and Byzantine design with a touch of Middle Eastern influence. The result is a structure that's as diverse and vibrant as Russia itself. As the sun dips below the horizon, the Red Square takes on a new life. The buildings are illuminated, their vibrant colors reflected in the cobblestones below. The air is filled with the sound of laughter and conversation, the buzz of life that never truly fades. It's a place that's as alive at night as it is during the day, a place that's always pulsing with energy, always vibrant, always alive. The Red Square, a testament to Russia's rich history and vibrant culture. It's a place where the past and present collide, where the vibrant colors of today blend seamlessly with the rich tapestry of history. It's a place that's truly Russian, in all its vibrant, colorful glory. Finally, we unwind along the tranquil shores of the Black Sea coast. An enchanting gem resting on the southernmost point of Russia, the Black Sea coast invites us into a world of serene beauty and captivating allure. Imagine sinking your toes into warm golden sands as you gaze out onto the calm azure waters of the Black Sea. The coastline stretches out, an endless ribbon of glistening beaches, each one more inviting than the last. The rhythmic lull of the waves is a sweet serenade, a soothing soundtrack to this idyllic setting. The Black Sea coast is not just about its stunning beaches though. Venture a little inland, and you'll find rolling green hills, steep cliffs, and a smattering of quaint villages. These charming hamlets play host to a vibrant local culture where age-old traditions blend seamlessly with the relaxed coastal lifestyle. This region of Russia is a beloved destination both by locals and tourists alike. It's a haven for those seeking a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Families come for the sun-soaked days and gentle waters. Couples find romance in the picturesque sunsets. Adventurers are drawn to the region's diverse landscapes from its lush forests to its rugged mountain trails. Food lovers too are in for a treat. The Black Sea coast is famed for its delectable cuisine, with seafood plucked straight from the sea, fresh fruits and vegetables from the fertile lands, and fine wines from the local vineyards. As the day wanes, the coast takes on a magical hue. The setting sun paints the sky in shades of pink and orange, reflecting upon the tranquil waters of the Black Sea. It's a sight to behold, a perfect end to a day spent in this peaceful paradise. The Black Sea coast, a place of tranquility and beauty, where one can truly unwind and appreciate Russia's natural beauty. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating scenery that Russia has to offer. From the frosty splendor of Siberia's endless wintry landscapes, to the majesty of the Ural mountains, Russia is a destination that continually surprises and delights. Imagine standing in the heart of the vibrant Red Square surrounded by a riot of color and history, or strolling along the tranquil Black Sea coast, where time seems to slow down, inviting you to pause and take in the beauty around you. Each of these places holds its own unique charm, and they're waiting for you to experience them. Perhaps you're already packing your bags, filled with a newfound excitement to explore these enchanting locations. There's something truly magical about seeing these sights firsthand, about immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of culture and nature that Russia has to offer. But our journey doesn't stop here. We're eager to continue our exploration, and we want you to be a part of it. Which corners of the world are you most curious about? Where should we point our compass next? Now it's your turn to tell us which part of the world you'd like us to explore next. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us grow and continue our journey around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring.